the American Heritage Leadership.
Pulling for the ripcord. 120 miles an hour straight down. Pulling for the ripcord. And we got a good parachute.
Be our lieutenant colonels that you can meet up close and personal, hear their stories, and learn some amazing things from some of these amazing people who have served our nation so well. Again, these are Heritage Leadership Forums, and they'll get underway starting at noon today. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're just minutes away from our first jumper out of the plane on his way down. Again, this will be an amazing sight high overhead. Across the sky. Ladies and gentlemen, please, at this time, stand and join us.
I still make videos. I can still warm my head up because I'm making a video. Whoa.
What an amazing sight. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, please join us for our national anthem.
And you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the brave and the home of the brave.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to day one of the 2025 Joint Base Andrews 2025 Air
Here they come, jumping out. Here they go, the crowd.
Target landing. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for our jumper. Great job, United States Army Gold Police.
Here comes the second jumper in with our United States flag.
Come on, give it up. Andrews, he can hear you up there. What a beautiful sight, ladies and gentlemen, as we kick off day one of the 2025 Joint Base Andrews Air Show.